Good evening and happy holidays. My name is Tyler, and here at the Malcolm Hotel, we're doing something a little special this year. We're going to be teaching you at home how to make mulled wine. Traditionally, mulled wine is a celebrated drink all over the world every year for Christmas. Essentially, it is your red wine. You can add oranges, cinnamon, anything to really liven up the drink. We do have many different types of spirits we can add to the drink this evening. We do have some Saint Remy cognac or Stirling vodka and Grand Marnier along with spiced rum as well. Now tonight, I've already started warming up some mulled wine here, some wine here. Tonight we'll be using some Station Cabernet Sauvignon. For roughly, if you want around 2 glasses, about 2 cups will do, or if you want to have a little bit more tonight, the more the merrier, I always like to say. Now, I was talking about oranges, cloves, cinnamon, everything like that. What I've done here is create a little bit of a tea bag, if you will. Put all your ingredients inside of it and then pop it right inside the warming of the wine. Essentially, it'll infuse and incorporate all those ingredients into the mulled wine. Excellent. So we are warming it up just a little bit here. Now, at home, you can honestly put in whatever you'd like in this drink. If you're not an alcohol fan and you just don't want to drink, but you love the taste of mulled wine, you can put the wine to a boil, and that'll eliminate all alcohol and still get that mulled wine taste. Now, if you do want to taste the wine like myself and get a little extra alcohol, I do have a couple options here. As I said earlier, we do have our spiced rum, our Grand Marnier, our Stirling vodka, and our Saint Remy VSOP. Any of these ingredients would be great in a mulled wine. My personal favorite would be a little of the Saint Remy. It is a little just on the sweeter side, which kind of complements the wine there because it does have a little bit of a high acidity. So we're just gonna do ½ ounce in there and ½ ounce of Grand Marnier as well. Now there is already orange in that little tea bag that I put into the wine. However, I like a little bit more, just a better overall orange citric flavor to it. As well, what I've done just behind the scenes, I've created a chai simple syrup. So essentially I've boiled a pot of water and added sugar as well, so equal parts, and then added a few chai tea bags and turned it into a really, really nice syrup here. Now I'll just add probably about 3/4 of an ounce in there, just to give it that sweetness, kind of that wintry feel to it. And by the looks of it, our wine has come to a boil, so it is perfect temperature right now. So just want to take that off the burner there and essentially just pour it right into our glass. There we are there. Excellent. Now you can garnish it with whatever you'd like. I like to do an orange, add a little bit of cherries cranberries in here, just to give it a little bit of a Christmassy feel, decoration, garnish, if you will. And just to incorporate everything, if you want to get your cinnamon stick, give it a nice little stir, pop it in there just for some extra added flavor. And here we have our Malcolm mulled wine. I'd like to wish you all a safe and Merry Christmas from my family here at the Malcolm to yours wherever it may be this Christmas season. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your holidays. Ooh, delicious.